Hey guys, my name is Casey. Welcome back to another session by Digital Titans, and I have a really important thing to say. First things first, thank you so much for all the love and support that you have shown for my last video, which got a lot of good reviews about how it really helped them to solve the vertical and horizontal video issue where we spoke about an app called Firework. So thank you so much for that. And the next thing that I would be talking about today is kind of important in today's world because we are living in a world of video where video content has dominated so much. And you could be a business, you could be somebody who is running a college company, you have an organization, doesn't matter, but video content is where people's attention is. Now, as a marketer, if you really want to target people who are interested in a certain set of videos, let's assume I'm a chef and I would want to promote my business or restaurant by showcasing a video ad for my restaurant. And if I really want to do it, I need to show my ad on relevant channels on, let's say, YouTube. Now, how do I find it? There are billions and gazillions of videos on YouTube, so how do I make sure I reach out to all the relevant audiences or relevant videos or relevant channels on YouTube? So I was facing a similar problem when I was working on one of my clients, and a lot of research led me into 4 most useful ways where I was able to target these related YouTube channels. Some of them are websites, independent tools, and one option is within YouTube, which we kind of ignore most of the time, but it really helps. So here is my take on 4 important things to reach out similar channels on YouTube if you really want to target your audiences on YouTube. First thing is, if you know one channel which is related or relevant to you. Now, if you go to that channel on YouTube, and on the right hand side you will see something called as similar channels, and you could start doing that. Now, 99.9% of the times these are extremely relevant channels because they're grouped based upon these categories. Now, I choose one channel which is relevant to me, and on the right hand side I see about 8 to 10 channels which are extremely related or relevant to my business. Now, you may be asking, okay, that gives me only 10, but there are millions of videos, as you said, so how do I go about it? Now, this is what I would do. I would choose channel number 1, and I would pick up all the 8 channels onto the right which are related. I would pick any of the second or third or any of those channels, and then I would see another set of 8. So I would repeat this process and until I'm okay. But the key is not to overload yourself and not to get into this zone that I would want to have about 5,000 channels done by the end of the day. That's not the right way to go about it. I would split it across a week. I would do about 30 channels a day. So 30 into 7 days is about 200, 300 channels, which is a good place to start. So that's exactly what you can do if you really want to do target similar channels on YouTube within YouTube. The second website that I was talking about is Social Blade. All of us know that. All of us use this tool to see the ranking of YouTube channels, top YouTube channels, the approximate earnings that people earn from these channels. But Social Blade also gives you a list of channels which are grouped by categories, and it's an amazing thing. If you really want to get a quick top 100 channels for your business related to your category, you can go to Social Blade and immediately do that right away. End of matter. The website number 3 that I figured out is it is called as Channel Crawler, where you just go to channelcrawler.com. You just put in certain things about whether a channel name or a set of keywords that describe your channel. You can sort them based upon your subscribers. The most important thing is you can target or you can put in some categories of channels, and it will give you a list of all the YouTube channels which fall under that category, and you can just go manually start copying these URLs and start targeting your campaigns. The next thing that I want to talk about is something called as channelshunt.com, which is an independent tool like Channel Crawler. You just go to channelshunt.com and then you put in certain things, and it will give you a list of channels which match the criteria that you have set. And these are my 4 important ways that I almost do on a daily basis to target the relevant channels for my client accounts. So it doesn't matter if you're a small medium business, it doesn't matter if you're a digital marketer, it doesn't matter if you're a freelancer trying to work for somebody else. Please make use of these 4 useful pieces of information to target all the possible relevant channels for your business, for your client's business. That's it from my end, and I will try and include a screencast of all these tools that I mentioned, and in a quick format, so you can just go ahead and start using them from tomorrow or from tonight. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like the content. My name is Casey. Until next time, see you. Cheers.